Google has recently launched a feature to automatically delete your location history and other activities. In this video, let's try it. Before it, click on that red subscribe button and enable the bell icon so you don't miss any useful videos. Let's get started. Go to Settings and find an option called Google. Click on Google account. Go to Data and Personalization. Click on Web and App Activity. Scroll down and click on Manage Activity. Now you will be redirected through a browser to this page. Scroll down and click on this option. From here, you can choose one of these three options. Then click on Next and click on Confirm. And finally, click on OK. That's it. Now your activities and history will be deleted automatically after the specified period. Hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Check out my other videos on the screen. Thanks for watching.